In this video, we will see how to download and set up Visual Studio. So open a browser and search for download Visual Studio. Yeah, first link is from Microsoft, so click on it. It will take you to the website, Microsoft website. Here there are various versions of Visual Studio available. So you can select the first one, that is for community, and it's a free version for students and for researchers. So select the first one, click on free download. It will start downloading and it will pop up and ask you to select the type of applications that you are going to develop. While it is downloading, it will ask you to select the type of applications that you will be developing. So you can select desktop application and sign up by entering your email ID and selecting your country. Click on the file for installation. After sign up, you can start installation. Yeah, here the installation starts. Yes, here it gives options for what purpose you want to download C++. So you can select desktop development with C++. So select this option and click on install. Install. Now it will install Visual Studio for C++. Once the installation is over, you have to restart your computer. So restart it. So the installation of Visual Studio has finished. Now let us start Visual Studio and develop one first project. So go to Start menu and here I will type Visual Studio. So this is a Visual Studio 2019. So click on this one. Yeah, it has started. Now here say create new project. So select this one, right? So for every program that you write, I suggest you create a new project. That is better, and you can have all the projects in one folder. Next, here you have to select the type of the project. So on the top left, you will find here the language. So select it as C++, right? And the platform is Windows. Okay, you need not select that one, just you can leave it as it is for all platform. If you scroll down, you will find one option that is console app. So you have to select console app, right? So all the applications that we are going to develop are console applications. So you always have to select this one. Say next. Now here you have to mention the project name. So I'll give the project name as my first. And you have to select the path. So you can select the path and then say create. So project is created. And here is the sample code. The code is ready. So already main function is available. So you can start typing your program here, right? Already the basic header file or the standard header file is already included. That is IO stream. And hello world program is automatically generated. Now here on the right hand side in the solution explorer or in this window, if you expand the source file, you will find this my first CPP. So this is what the file it is showing here, right? Now if you want to write a program, let's simply I will write one program with the three variables A, B, C. And then A assign some value and B assign with some value, then C assign A plus B. Now I will display this value also. Standard std cout C and also std endl. This will add two numbers and display them. Now here you can see that something is underlined here with red color. So this shows it's an error. So this ID will help you to find the errors wherever you are going wrong. So it's very programmer friendly. So here actually I have given single colon. So I should write scope resolution. So double time I have to write colon. So now this is perfect. Now let us see how to run. So here we can go to build menu option on the top and say build solution or build my first. So this my first will be built, so it will be compiled and executable will be created. Now for running, go to debug option. For running, go to debug option and start without debugging. So debugger, I'll be showing you in the next video. So without debugging, just we want to run. So you can also press Ctrl F5 for running the program. So run this one. Now here it displays. Now here it displays the result, that is 30. 10 plus 20 is 30, and also hello world. So that's it. So you can complete the program and you can remove all these comments if you don't like them. You can type all your programs. So for every time, for every program, I suggest you to create a new project and do it. And let the project name be same as the program that you're doing. That's all. If you would like to use Visual Studio, this is how you can set up and start using it.